Yes, Mac here. So there is a famous quote, there is a famous saying which says that taking an imperfect action is much better than not taking any action at all or remaining perfectionist. And there is a lot of substance behind this quote, because many a times what happens that we go through these motions and we keep wondering, we go through these what if possibilities, what if it doesn't work, right? What if my hook is not correct? How am I coming across when I'm shooting the video? My angle is not correct, right? My copy is not correct. My Facebook ad is probably not getting written correctly, right? So we go through a lot of permutations, combinations, we go through a lot of motions, and then we continue to stay on this hamster wheel. As a result, we never take any action, right? And where I'm going with this, right, I recently came across one video on YouTube of a seasoned internet online marketing guru who is into this, who is in this industry for the last 10, 15, 20 plus years, right? So he has seen many things come, many things go. He's still very successful till date, right? And he was saying that he's finding it painful that there are a lot many uh, online entrepreneurs, business owners coming up in the marketing world, but they are not necessarily following the core concepts of marketing, and they are rather staying more promotional. That was his argument, right? And where he was going with his argument was, which has great merit into that. He was saying that uh, you should rather do your research in terms of your online audience, try to go understand their pain point, challenges, desires, right? Do some research, and then accordingly uh, uh, come up with a marketing approach that is going to be lot more beneficial for you. It is going to save them some money, ROI, all those things, right? And and that is the reason I started with this quote, right? Taking an imperfect action is much better than not taking any action at all. So I wanted to offer these two thoughts, right? On one side, there is this internet online marketing guru who is finding it painful that people are not following the genuine concepts of marketing, because people typically love to get sold but hate to be pressured, right? And he was saying that basically, if they don't adopt promotional approaches, probably they will get much better bang, right, for the buck. And my second thought, right, if you take a look at the COVID-19 pandemic right now, right, so there are a lot many people, their jobs have gotten impacted, their businesses have been affected, left, right, center. So people are looking for many options, and right now, entrepreneurship, the world of entrepreneurship has gained massive appetite. There is a massive appreciation in general out there. Thus, there are so many people jumping onto this bandwagon of entrepreneurship marketing, right? And they're trying to make now quick bucks because they see there is a big aura around the world of entrepreneurship. They are looking at it as a get rich quick scheme, right? So where I'm going with this, my second thought, right, second point is that I would rather give these people benefit of doubt. I would rather give them leeway, unless and until they make mistakes, unless and until they get slap on their hands, right? When they, if their copy is not correct, it is gonna come back and bite them back, right? If their hook is not correct, they're going to spend some money into their ads, and but they are not going to get any kind of significant traction, right? So while this internet marketing business guru has its own merit in terms of his argument, at the same time, I would rather these people, these new breed of entrepreneurs, take an imperfect action, make some mistakes, go through lessons learned, get some hard knocks, and then learn quote unquote on the job, right? So I thought that was pretty fascinating that right now I feel like two worlds are colliding. There is one sphere, there is one world where there are many successful entrepreneurs who've been around. They are top earners, and they have certain viewpoint. They have certain uh, dimension, the way they look at marketing in terms of remaining genuine, remaining humanized, walking a mile into your target audience's mind, and then coming up with your marketing approach, educating them, rather than kind of entrepreneurship as a bubble, get rich quick overnight, a type of mentality. At the same time, there is a lot of other people who are suffering because of the pandemic lockdown, right? So in the big scheme of things, I feel things are going to work out, because people who are in this online business world for a quick overnight stand, they are not going to sustain. They are going to get withered away pretty soon, right? On the contrary, people who are taking an imperfect action, who are going to get hard knocks, who are going to go through lessons learned, and then going to go through the exploration, experimentation, and then going to come up with their next layer of better copy, better ad, better hook, better promise, right? Those are the people who will come around. So I thought that was pretty fascinating. I wanted to kind of share this, like how two worlds are colliding. One viewpoint is perfectionist, genuineness, authenticity. The other one is they are getting captivated by the world of entrepreneurship, marketing, not following the true norms of marketing in terms of remaining authentic, but rather staying promotional, and it is gonna bite them back sooner or later. So I hope you got something out of that. Let me know how you like my episode today. Signing off for now. Talk to you later. Take care.